Jira does have the ability, just like ClickUp, to integrate with other whiteboard softwares like Miro, Mural. There's a lot of them out there. So uh, ClickUp and Jira can both integrate with a chosen tool, an external resource, but definitely just like ClickUp Docs, the ability to create a whiteboard in ClickUp is just light years beyond. So it's so wonderful that we don't have to leave the tool to create those. Scrum teams would use whiteboards for certain meetings, like retrospectives. It's very important to minimize my screen. In a retrospective, we look at what went well, what can we improve, how am I feeling today? You know, all those different soft thoughts and feelings about our work that are really important to make sure that the team is high functioning. And that's part of that adaptation cycle, so that we are adapting to what happened before. So we need to, adapt, iterate, and change for that next sprint.